Hi, and welcome to CoupleTales.life, the colorful shades of grey. Loneliness is a topic that we've touched before, but this is a different ballgame altogether. So listen very carefully. Lonely despite being in a family and not experiencing, being surrounded by your loved ones and not experiencing the joy that you should really be experiencing. It doesn't even strike most of us that something like this can happen, Geetu.
Actually, that you're saying this, it doesn't even strike. I want to just put in this word over there. This question came from a subscriber telling me that after watching your video on loneliness, which we pretty much spoke about the single people, she said, after that I thought about this. And it's great because if a topic takes you deeper, please write to us because we can revisit these topics with different foundations. It's completely different sounding like, loneliness. So,
yeah. So, and first of all, like you said, does it even strike people? Okay, I'm lonely, being surrounded. How can you be lonely when you're surrounded with people and family and the people that you love sometimes, How does that happen?
Because you're choosing it.
Oh.
And you're not aware you're choosing it, but you are choosing it. And a lot of it comes from wanting to be accepted on your terms.
Oh.
So, it's very passive and very stubborn. That so it's conditional, right? Because it's like I am in a family, but I want it like this. If you don't give it to me like this, that means you're not including me. If you don't do what I like, if this and it's natural, guys. Okay, we all feel differently, we all express differently, we all do everything. We're unique in that sense. But including yourself is your choice. You make that choice. So when you're lonely, when you're unhappy, when you don't feel joy, it's because you are choosing it. Because there are opinions which are stopping you, because there is conditioning of what you feel, there is an importance given to certain things, and those are the traps. Because you feel that if I'm going to meet some people and actually they didn't actually discuss topics which I was interested in, then you're going to, that's what I'm saying, that you choose and you have like a opinion about it, and then you say, okay, I got bored. But you don't. It's a very, very interesting and a very layered topic, and I hope I do justice to it. I don't think I can, to be honest, because we do videos which are about 12 to 15 minutes, and how much can you cover? But please remember, this is something that you have to choose, and I want to really share this with you, because personally I have been that person. I have always felt, and people like my friends have told me that Hari, but you have everything and all, and I have just dealt with this loneliness. A lot of it came from how I felt as a child, and that used to trigger, but I had to really work on myself, and one of the things that I had to do was to choose not being lonely, to the extent that I used to feel that in a group, 3 people are getting along absolutely fine, and I am feeling lonely. So in my head, it used to be like they're ganging up against me. Like they are getting,
Wow.
And honestly, this happened to me on a holiday where, my family and my niece, we had all gone on a holiday, and it was bizarre because I was feeling lonely, and they were having a great time, and I was holding it against them, and I was telling them that, oh my God, I was feeling that, they are laughing, they are not thinking about me, they are not doing this. But the next trip we went, and I said, you know what, I will not be that person, and everything changed, and it changed because I chose not to do this. I chose not to be alone. So when I was with them, and even if I felt like, okay, this joke is not, I did not have an opinion. I did not tell myself, you're not relating to this. I just said, be easy. Just be easy. So you know what, if you are feeling lonely in spite of having families and joy, and you're not able to experience it, go back and answer this question, because there is one is that you're not choosing it, and second, probably, maybe that you want to be accepted on your terms.
See, there's one small thing, Geetu, when we discuss, growing up, I had very varied interest. I was very creatively inclined, right, from a very early age. So I would find things that, okay, this would look nice like this, or cut up some rags and pieces of cloth and say, hey, this may look nice as a... Now, that's very different, and especially coming from a guy in a family. So you do experience it. I don't think people are understanding me, which led to, the loneliness part of it. Now, that is very difficult sometimes to deal with, because you're only, as you start growing further, you just feel more and more isolated. Now, how do you explain that to a person?
I'm telling you, so when you're speaking, your underlying need is that I am different, so accept me.
Okay.
Right? Accept me for who I am. Have you first accepted yourself for who you are? Why are you wanting that acceptance, right?
Okay.
So also, Vivek, the example that you gave is quite different from what we are talking over here, because it's about, I understand the underlying example. In the example, I understand but this loneliness that this subscriber has written about is very emotional. It's not on basis of I'm different. She's saying I'm not different, but I'm just feeling that I'm not. I feel lonely. She's taking accountability that I am feeling lonely in a happy family. I'm not able to experience joy, and I'm just saying that you'll have to choose it. You'll have to choose and say, how am I going to, in my own way, find joy in something which I'm not feeling right now? But that's because you've decided. You've decided that this thing is not going to give you joy. And today, in the environment that we are living in COVID, that this is the one thing that we've learned, right? That yes, initially it was difficult for families to be together because they were locked up and all. How did we find our joy in that?
Yeah.
How did we? You maneuvered through it. You chose it. So the biggest and the most important thing is you're not choosing to include yourself with others, but you're thinking, your mind is thinking that I am not being included. And that is the trick. That is why I said that I went on a holiday, experienced a certain thing. I went on the next holiday with the same people, and all of them told me, oh my God, you're so easy on this trip. It's so easy to be with you. We are having such a good time. Same people. And I discussed this with them later. I said I wanted to actually change what I was, and nobody had changed. They were just themselves. I had chosen. And really, I got this from all three, from my son, from my husband, and my niece. And it was, and I could see myself being so easy, but it was about not having such strong, like I said, the underlying is, accept me for who I am, otherwise you're not my type. Accept me, and you can't have this kind,
Yeah.
There are dynamics when people meet.
Group dynamics, basically.
Always dynamics. And in that, empower yourself. And like the way I said, the difference is you're not including yourself, but thinking that they are not including you. Change that thought and say, it's okay, I'll include them. Begin from there and see the magic happen. Just say, I will include. Forget what they're doing. Become a part of that. And I'm not saying, guys, that overdo it and all, but don't compromise on your own joy, on the goodness that you have in your life. Appreciate it. I hear a lot of people say, I live in gratitude. And we've done a video on it, on gratitude. But these are the moments where you have to question, am I really living in gratitude? Gratitude is not saying, thank you God, thank you God, thank you for giving me this, thank you. What is the point if God is giving you everything? You're showing gratitude, but when it comes to joy and happiness and inclusion, you're not choosing it. This is the way to live gratitude, not just say thank you. Learn to live all these things. That's the difference, Vivek.
Also, you'll make a lot of good memories like that.
Absolutely.
And that, when you reflect, will bring a smile to your
Yes.
face.
And
you know?
when you talk about memories, it's wonderful that you've got this. When you talk about memories, you always say create memories.
Memories, yes.
How do you create memories?
You invest in them, no? You do that,
Exactly.
yeah.
They don't just happen, you create them, right? If you go for a picnic, you create that picnic.
Yeah.
You say, let's play, go in the water, be on the
Yeah.
sand and all. अगर उधर जाके तुम मैट डाल के बैठोगे और बोलोगे अरे मुझे include नहीं, तो
It doesn't work like that. It really doesn't work
you
like that.
have to create it, like
Yeah.
create a memory.
Yeah.
So I think that was a wonderful thing that you said about memories, because that is a great example. Why do you have to create a memory? You have to create it.
So whether you want to be lonely or not is entirely it's entirely in your hands. And how do you turn the whole situation around, if you do experience, is also in your hands. So go out and be more participative. Yes, there may still be moments where you don't really feel
Of
like,
course, that's
which is
reality.
your choice,
Yeah.
which is completely your
Yeah.
choice.
And don't overdo it, like no,
Yeah.
every time I'll feel, but feel the joy. Feel joy from within. Say, okay, I'm feeling like you're so in your own story of अरे मुझे include नहीं किया, मुझे
Yeah.
they're ganging up. And honestly, this was very easy for me to explain because I was that person.
Yeah.
I'm not anymore. Only because I choose it, really. And it's not that tough to do, Vivek.
And I'm hoping you've inspired not just the subscriber who's written, but others as well. Because sometimes, like, I don't think it strikes people. It consciously doesn't even strike people at all.
And you don't realize that you're being passive, stubborn.
Yeah.
So go and question that. Am I being stubborn?
You can write to us on coupletales.life@gmail.com. So that also, helps us to respond if you want to write in confidence. And it's really great discussing and getting insight, because you're opening our minds also to so many different things. This is Vivek Kapoor.
And this is Geet Kapoor Kayastha. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.